Hi fellow designers, you're welcome to another tutorial video where I'll be sharing with you how I created this glass effect with PSCC plus Pixellab in less than 5 minutes. So let's get started. The first thing I'll be doing is to just open a new project. So I'll just open this. Just going to repeat the same thing. We'll be using an image to create the effect like the other one. Okay. So let's import an image. Let's use this. Then just increase the size to fit the lock the layer. So the next thing I'll be doing is to import a shape. To import a shape here. Then just give it radius 15 or 14 is fine. Then position it. Good. So after creating a shape on it, you can duplicate this shape. So just leave it for reference, but maybe you want to use it later to create something, or you want to add a stroke of this, you can just keep it there. So you hide this shape, then save the image. After saving the image, you head over to PSCC. Click on this one, this icon here, this gallery icon here that has a plus at the top. Click on it, then click on photo library. Then you choose the image from the folder it is. Look at it. Look at your folder. Then you just choose the image from the folder, the picture you just saved this. Then you select, scroll down. Here is it. Then you click on add. After adding, you click on FX. This FX at the top here. Click on FX. Click on stylize, then click on glass here. So the amount, you can give it this one might be too much and might not be too much depending on what you want to work on, but I think 170 is just fine. 171, let's just leave it at 171. That's just perfect. And for the scale, you can just give it 0.25 or 27 is perfect. Then you click on the good icon, click on FX again, take it to basic, then click on Gaussian blur. Then the Gaussian blur, don't give it this one, it's too much. Just give it maybe just small blur. I think this is fine. Then you click on the good icon, click on done, then click on save. To save to your gallery, you click on this icon beside the first one that we chose. Click on it, then click on save to gallery, then select the image you just edited. Then you can just change this one to PNG, then click on OK. Once you are done with that, go back to Pixellab. Then you unhide this one, click on draw, increase the pen size to 100 to its maximum. Then you draw here, draw by the two sides, either by this side like this or by the other side. Then you click on the good icon, then you match the element you just drew plus the shape, merge them together. After merging, head over to texture, click on texture, click on the gallery icon to import the image that we saved from PSCC not quite long. Then you click on it like this, then click on the good icon. Can you see? So after doing that, you can go to inner shadow, enable inner shadow. Then you can increase the blur radius to 100 and give it white depending on what you want, depending on the project you're working on or the design you're working on. Then you click here like this, copy, then you also do like this to max out what we drew. Then this is it, perfect. So this is how I create my own glass morphism effect with PSCC plus Pixellab. So let me save this and show you some this might be confused. Okay, how do I bring this to my design? I'm sure that you would have been seeing some glass effect, how you can do it and all of that. I don't really use it so much, but at least I use it for a few of my designs. Let me just look for some, then show you. Okay, look at this design. Look at this shape under. This shape like this, the one that this stay tuned for exciting activities this year is on. This shape, can you see this one? It was actually a glass morphism effect that I used. So this one is a glass effect, and I used PSCC plus Pixellab. This one I used Snapseed. There's a video on it already. Just go to my YouTube, just scroll down, you see the video. This one I use Snapseed plus Pixellab, and this one I use PSCC plus Pixellab. You notice that the effect is different, so it depends on the design you're working on that you that this design, which effect will work perfectly for it. So I look at this and feel like Snapseed will work perfectly for this one, and for this one the PSCC plus Pixellab I used for this one, and this one too. Okay, look at it. It was the PSCC I used for this one. You see, so it depends on the design that you want to work on. Then you just look at, okay, which one can I use? You get. So on that PSCC I just use lens blur. Then I just blurred it and bring it back to Pixellab and use the same process I've used. So just check the video. Maybe I could just tag it in the description. I'll just maybe. But if I don't tag it, you can just check it. That's how I create my glass effect on with PSCC and Pixellab. That's how I create it. And that's it, and I'll see you in my next tutorial video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe for more amazing tutorials from the Dekreativequeen. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.